In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add milestones in Stack Takeoff and Estimate. While Stack is built primarily for pre-construction takeoffs, material quantification, and cost estimating, it doesn't include a dedicated milestones feature inside the Takeoff and Estimate application. The good news is you can still track project progress in a milestone-like way by using the project status field. Think of each status as a clear marker for where your project stands in the pipeline. Start by logging into your Stack account. Once you're in, open the project you want to manage. From there, head to the Project Details tab. This is your central hub for high-level information about the job, and it's where you'll find the status control. Look for the Project Status dropdown. Clicking it will display a list of preset options you can use as practical milestones. You'll see choices like bidding, won, in progress, awaiting approval, and lost. Select the status that best reflects the current phase of your project. For example, choose bidding while you're preparing and submitting your numbers. Switch to won once your proposal is accepted. Move to in progress when takeoffs and estimating activities are underway, and use awaiting approval when you're pending a green light or final sign-off. If the job doesn't move forward, mark it as lost so your pipeline remains clean and accurate. As your project evolves, return to the Project Details tab and update the status accordingly. This simple habit turns the status dropdown into a practical milestone tracker, letting you and your team instantly see where each project stands without needing a separate feature. It also helps with reporting and prioritization because you will have a reliable snapshot of your workload stages across all projects. A quick tip for clarity: be consistent about when you change a status. For instance, shift from bidding to won only when you've received a formal award, and move to in progress as soon as active estimating tasks begin. Keeping that consistency across your team ensures everyone reads statuses the same way. That's all there is to it. By logging in, opening your project, navigating to the Project Details tab, and updating the project status with the dropdown, you effectively create milestone checkpoints throughout your takeoff and estimating workflow. It's a straightforward, reliable method for tracking progress in Stack without needing additional tools.